What is up, folks? Taking a quick look here at the Village Farms chart. The stock was up in late March, up at $18.10. You can see here it hit a low with upside down hammer here, kind of. I see 2.23 million volume on July 15th. So what happened here to make things turn around for Village Farms on July 15th? Tomorrow being August 1st, going into Thursday, August 1st, and we're wondering here. We see a red square on Wednesday. That was today. But first of all, why did things turn around for Village Farms in the middle of July? And the answer is, if you go to their website, okay, they had the joint venture with Pure Sunfarms. If you go to the investor relations and press releases, you'll see that the joint venture reached, where is it? Full run rate right here. Okay. But then if you go to the presentations, you'll see in July, Village Farms finally came out explaining what they're doing with cannabis. An unmatched platform for the global cannabis opportunity. This is as of July 12th. And then this is the first slide that really grabs your attention. They talk about owned assets, fully owned assets in BC, West Texas, joint venture in BC, growing partners for vegetables in Mexico, Ontario, and BC. This presentation also goes into detail saying that how they're, there's bullets here talking about switching from vegetables to cannabis, and there's all this stuff that it's been not coming directly from the company. You have it all here coming directly from the company. All right. So going back to the chart and the time, what's happening here is in the middle of August there's going to be a earnings report, and I think Village Farms is finally going to pick things up on the earnings side as well as the sentiment side. Obviously, I think is picked up. We'll see if VFF can get past the $12.50 resistance line, and now if you see down here on the MACD going into Thursday, the blue line is ahead of the other line, so that's going to be hopefully a good thing going into the morning trading session on Thursday. I'm feeling there's going to be a volume spike and some buying. Maybe you might even find a bottom there close to 11. One interesting thing I did note here, if you look at the bottom here at 889, or if you start climbing up here, I noticed that there's, like say for example, today was Wednesday, it's just approximately, if you look at the low, it's approximately 1120, which is better than the previous day, which was 1110 by 10 cents approximately. And then if you subtract 10 cents, it looks like the low is actually increasing almost between 10 and 12 cents every single day. I see 5 days in a row. So I see some consistency there, even though these shapes don't all look the same. This is a very consistent bottom, increasing of the bottom here. Okay, so of course looks like Thursday is going to be on August 1st. That bottom will have 11:37. So we have the day hasn't really started yet, and we could maintain this formation anyway. Village Farms has a lot of interesting things happening here. This is a huge green streak of white boxes, or whatever you want to call them, and I think with a little bit of we're going to see some volume, and we'll see which direction it goes. Actually, end of the video, folks. See you next time.